In a quiet jungle morning, the gorilla woke up like a human, stretching, yawning, and pretending to check his banana phone. He didn't know it yet, but today was going to change everything. The gorilla wanted to be modern. He tried wearing leaves like a t-shirt, brushing with bamboo, and even using a rock as deodorant. But everything ended in funny failure. To look like a fitness hero, the gorilla built a jungle gym. But the ground cracked during push-ups, the branch snapped during pull-ups, and his own reflection scared him. The gorilla decided to become an influencer. He made a coconut tripod, a leaf ring light, and a fruit microphone. Then he practiced shouting, "Like, share, subscribe!" The gorilla tried every trending challenge: banana balancing, cold water splash, crazy dances, even a backflip. Nothing worked, but everything was extremely funny. Tired and disappointed, the gorilla sat under a tree. A butterfly landed on his nose, and suddenly a huge sneeze launched him into the air. That moment went viral. The gorilla finally understood. All the forced moments failed, but one natural moment made him famous. He tried to sneeze again to go viral. He stuffed flowers into his nose. Nothing happened. Then suddenly, boom! One giant sneeze shook the entire jungle. The gorilla looked at the modern world and realized humans also try too hard to go viral. Fake poses, forced challenges, heavy filters. But true magic happens when you stay natural. If a gorilla can learn this, so can we. Be real, be yourself. The world loves authenticity. And hey, if you enjoyed Gorilla's crazy journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. More fun episodes coming soon.